Hello, so here I am just finalizing everything from the partial measurements and the final measurements because I did it literally from the scratch because I wanted them customized and personalized as much as possible, that everything would be literally from my own design, the structures and measurements, like literally everything, like for the bathroom, the whole bathroom renovation, and even for the windows, kitchen blind, kitchen windows, bedroom windows, living rooms, what would be the perfect or ideal, stylish and practical yet functional, perfect blinds for each window. For my living room, all this ambiance, theme, concept, and motive. Even each furnitures can be seen in the finished apartment would be literally from the scratch. And it's just wonderful that and the locals here, the makers, they can make all of my designs and sketch into real life. It's direct from the factory, so I find it just amazing, not ready-made or that is like show off from the display on the shop or boutique, nothing. Even the extra structured furniture will be literally my own design, the functionality and specific features and everything. The bedroom TV, the living room, and what else? A new set of bathroom vanitory, even like from the smallest furnitures, medium size, the tiniest, and the bigger, the grand. Lights, fabric, colors, textures, the type of the material. Everything needs to be studied and compared and researched. That's what I've been doing. The negotiation of the workers, factories, the makers, carpenters, and everything. And I have to learn also about electricity, gas, water flow, everything, like the construction working stuff, the managing, accounting, inventory, design, drawing, painting, everything. So it's fun, it's exhausting, but I really enjoying it. So we'll see, and I'm very excited for the film. I've been filming everything, process, progress, and I'm very excited to do the apartment tour and the before and after vlog. So stay tuned.